In this tutorial video, you will learn to list maps shared with everyone. Click on Show My Existing Maps on the My Maps button in the Data menu. The user maps you have created are listed in the panel that opens. User map can be opened with the Show button. Edit button provides the opportunity to edit the user map. Created user maps can be completely deleted with the Delete button. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.